This luxurious essential oil is carefully extracted from Spanish rosemary leaves to deliver incredible benefits. For thick and healthy hair, rosemary oil nourishes the scalp and promotes natural hair growth. Simply add 1 to 2 drops to your hair care routine to achieve a strong, shiny look. Soft and radiant skin. This oil helps cleanse dry and dull skin, leaving it soft and nourished. Mix it with a carrier oil to create the perfect facial cleansing oil. Refreshing and soothing aroma. With its sweet herbal fragrance, rosemary oil invigorates your senses. Use it in diffusers or create DIY products like soaps or scented candles for a unique touch. 100% natural and safe. Cruelty-free and non-GMO, making it the perfect addition to your self-care routine. Make rosemary oil your daily ally for healthy hair and glowing skin.